buying a Volkswagen in 2026 could be one of the smartest decisions you make, or one of the most expensive mistakes of your life. Because here's the truth most people don't realize. Volkswagen has incredible engines, and some that should never be trusted. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best Volkswagen engines you should be buying, and the 3 worst engines you need to avoid at all costs, whether you're shopping new or used. Some of these engines are proven, long-lasting, and surprisingly affordable to own. Others are known for expensive failures, reliability issues, and repair bills that can easily reach thousands. This isn't dealership talk or online hype. This is based on long-term ownership, real reliability data, and what actually holds up in the real world. So before you buy a Volkswagen in 2026, watch this video, because the engine you choose will decide whether your car is a smart investment or a costly regret. Let's start with the engines you should avoid completely, because these are the ones that turn a good-looking Volkswagen into a money pit. These engines aren't just older or less powerful. They're known for serious reliability issues, repeated failures, and repair costs that often outweigh the value of the car itself. Worst engine number 1. Early VW 2.0 TSI EA888 Generation 1. Worst engine number 1 is the early Volkswagen 2.0 TSI, specifically the first generation EA888, and this engine has a long history of disappointing owners. At first glance, it looks like a perfect package. You get turbocharged power, decent fuel economy, and it's found in some of Volkswagen's most popular models. But long-term ownership tells a very different story. The biggest problem with this engine is the timing chain system. Volkswagen used a flawed design in these early versions, and when it fails, it usually fails without warning. That means bent valves, internal engine damage, and repair bills that can easily climb into the thousands of dollars. Then there's the oil consumption issue. Many owners report burning oil at an alarming rate, requiring constant top-offs between services. Over time, this leads to accelerated wear and even more expensive problems down the road. These engines are still common on the used market in 2026, often priced attractively. But that low price comes with serious risk. If reliability and long-term value matter to you, this is one Volkswagen engine you should avoid completely. Worst engine number 2, VW 1.4 TSI Twincharger EA111. This is Volkswagen 1.4 TSI Twincharger, also known as the EA111. And this is one of the most over-engineered mistakes Volkswagen ever made. On paper, this engine sounds brilliant. A small 1.4-liter engine using both a turbocharger and a supercharger to deliver strong power and great fuel economy. And when it works, it actually feels impressive. The problem is reliability, and there are a lot of problems. This engine is infamous for timing chain failures, often happening well before 100,000 miles. When that chain stretches or jumps, the repair is expensive, and in many cases, catastrophic. Then you have supercharger clutch failures, turbo issues, carbon buildup, and cooling system problems, all packed into one very complicated setup. More parts means more things to break, and more ways for repair costs to spiral out of control. Many owners describe this engine as great when new, and a nightmare once the warranty ends. Even in 2026, these engines still pop up on the used market at tempting prices. But that complexity comes with serious long-term risk. If you're looking for a dependable Volkswagen, this is another engine you're far better off avoiding. Worst engine number 3, VW 2.0 TDI EA189, early diesel models. This one is Volkswagen 2.0 TDI, specifically the EA189 generation, and this one has caused frustration for thousands of owners worldwide. Now, to be clear, Volkswagen has built some excellent diesel engines over the years, but this particular version became infamous, not just for emissions issues, but for what ownership actually looks like long-term. On the surface, the 2.0 TDI seems like a smart choice. Strong torque, great fuel economy, and a reputation for longevity. But once these engines age, especially after emissions updates, the problems start to pile up. One of the biggest issues is the EGR system and diesel particulate filter, or DPF. These components are extremely sensitive, especially if the car is used for short trips or city driving. When they clog or fail, repairs can cost thousands of dollars, and they often don't fail just once. Many owners also report turbocharger failures, injector problems, and high-pressure fuel pump issues, all of which are expensive and labor-intensive to fix. And unlike gas engines, diesel repairs almost always come with a higher price tag. After the emissions recalls, a lot of these engines suffered from reduced performance, worse fuel economy, and increased mechanical stress, accelerating wear on already complex systems. In 2026, these vehicles often look like incredible deals on the used market, but that low price usually reflects the risk. Once something goes wrong, repair costs can quickly exceed the value of the car. Unless you fully understand diesel ownership and are prepared for the maintenance demands, this version of the 2.0 TDI is an engine most buyers are better off avoiding. So those were the 3 worst Volkswagen engines you should avoid in 2026. Engines that look good on paper, but can quickly turn into expensive headaches in real-world ownership. But not all Volkswagen engines are like that. In fact, Volkswagen has also built some extremely reliable, well-engineered engines that have proven themselves over time. And these are the engines that actually make buying a Volkswagen worth it. So now, let's shift gears and talk about the best Volkswagen engines you should be looking for in 2026. Starting with one of the most dependable engines Volkswagen has ever made. Best engine number 1. VW 2.5 liters, naturally aspirated inline 5. Now, let's talk about engines that actually deserve your money. Starting with best engine number 1, the Volkswagen 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline 5. This engine is the complete opposite of the ones we just talked about. No turbocharger, no complicated emission systems, no over-engineered tricks, just a simple, durable design that has proven itself year after year. The 2.5-liter engine is known for one thing above all else: reliability. These engines routinely go well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, and they don't suffer from the chronic timing chain failures, oil consumption issues, or expensive surprises that plague many other Volkswagen engines. It uses a timing chain that's built to last, not one that needs constant attention. It's also far more forgiving if maintenance isn't absolutely perfect, which makes it ideal for real-world owners, not just enthusiasts. Is it the fastest engine Volkswagen ever made? No. But what it lacks in performance, it more than makes up for in longevity, low ownership costs, and peace of mind. In 2026, vehicles with this engine are still widely available on the used market, often at reasonable prices, and they're some of the safest Volkswagen buys you can make. If your priority is dependable transportation that won't drain your wallet over time, the VW 2.5-liter inline 5 is one of the smartest engine choices Volkswagen has ever offered. Best engine number 2, VW 1.9 TDI, ALH, and similar variants. This is Volkswagen's all-time legends. The VW 1.9 TDI, especially the ALH and closely related versions. This engine earned its reputation the old-fashioned way, by being ridiculously durable. It's not uncommon to see these engines still running strong with 300,000 miles or more when they've been properly maintained. The 1.9 TDI is simple by modern diesel standards. It lacks many of the complex emission systems that cause problems in later diesel engines, which means fewer failure points and lower long-term repair costs. It's also known for its excellent fuel economy and strong low-end torque, making it ideal for daily driving, commuting, and long highway trips. This is an engine that was designed to run all day, every day. Timing belt maintenance is critical, but when done on schedule, this engine rewards owners with years of dependable service. Injectors, turbochargers, and internal components tend to last far longer than you'd expect. Even in 2026, these engines are highly sought after, and for good reason. Clean examples hold their value well, and many owners simply refuse to sell them. If you want a Volkswagen engine with a proven track record, outstanding longevity, and real-world efficiency, the 1.9 TDI remains one of the best engines Volkswagen has ever produced. Best engine number 3, VW 3.6 liters VR6, naturally aspirated. This is one of the most underrated engines Volkswagen has ever built. The VR6 stands out because it doesn't rely on turbochargers or complex emissions tricks to make power. Instead, it uses a unique narrow-angle V-engine design that delivers smooth, strong performance with exceptional durability. One of the biggest strengths of the 3.6 VR6 is how overbuilt it is. The engine block, internals, and cooling system were designed to handle far more stress than most owners will ever put on them. That's why many of these engines comfortably reach high mileage with very few serious mechanical issues. Unlike smaller turbo engines, the VR6 produces power naturally, which means less strain on internal components and far fewer expensive failure points. No turbo failures, no boost-related wear, just consistent, predictable performance. Owners often describe this engine as smooth, quiet, and incredibly solid, even after years of use. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and major failures are relatively rare compared to many modern power plants. In 2026, vehicles with the 3.6 VR6 are excellent options for buyers who want reliability, strong performance, and long-term ownership confidence. If you're looking for a Volkswagen engine that combines character, durability, and proven engineering, the 3.6 VR6 is absolutely one of the best choices you can make. Best engine number 2, VW 2.0 liter, naturally aspirated MPI. This is Volkswagen 2.0 liter naturally aspirated engine, often referred to as the 2.0 MPI, and this is one of Volkswagen's most simple and dependable power plants. This engine doesn't try to impress you with big horsepower numbers or advanced technology. Instead, it focuses on something far more important for long-term ownership: simplicity and reliability. There's no turbocharger, no complex emissions hardware, and no high-pressure systems that can fail unexpectedly. That simplicity is exactly why this engine has earned a reputation for lasting a very long time with minimal issues. The 2.0 MPI is known for being extremely forgiving. Even owners who aren't perfect with maintenance often see these engines reach high mileage without major mechanical problems. Repairs are straightforward, parts are widely available, and labor costs are generally low. Is it fast? No. But it delivers smooth, predictable power that's more than enough for daily driving, commuting, and long-term use. And unlike many modern engines, it doesn't punish you financially as it ages. In 2026, vehicles equipped with this engine are often some of the most affordable Volkswagens on the market, and they stay affordable to own. If your goal is dependable transportation with low ownership stress, the Volkswagen 2.0 naturally aspirated engine is one of the safest and smartest choices you can make. Best engine number 1, VW 1.6 MPI, naturally aspirated. Best engine number 1 is the Volkswagen 1.6 MP. TSI naturally aspirated engine, and this is one of the most overlooked yet dependable engines Volkswagen has ever produced. This engine doesn't get attention because it isn't flashy. There's no turbocharger, no performance hype, and no complicated technology, and that's exactly why it works so well long-term. The 1.6 MPI is built around simplicity and durability. With fewer components under stress, fewer sensors, and no forced induction, it avoids many of the costly failures that plague more complex engines as they age. Owners consistently report strong reliability, stable performance, and very low maintenance costs. Regular oil changes and basic servicing are usually all this engine asks for, even at higher mileage. Another major advantage is repair affordability. Parts are widely available, labor is straightforward, and this engine is well understood by mechanics around the world. That makes ownership far less stressful once the warranty is gone. While it's not designed for aggressive driving, it delivers smooth, predictable power that's perfectly suited for daily commuting and long-term use. In 2026, Volkswagens equipped with the 1.6 MPI remain some of the most budget-friendly and reliable options you can buy. If your priority is longevity, low running costs, and peace of mind, the Volkswagen 1.6 MPI is one of the smartest engine choices available. So there you have it, the worst Volkswagen engines to avoid, and the best ones actually worth buying in 2026. If you're shopping for a Volkswagen or already own one, choosing the right engine can save you thousands and a lot of frustration down the road. And that's exactly what this channel is about, helping real VW owners make smarter decisions. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button so it reaches more Volkswagen owners who need this information. And if you want honest breakdowns, reliability guides, and real-world advice, subscribe to Volkswagen Hub, because we focus on what actually matters after the sale, not just what looks good on paper. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.